Good morning, children. Welcome to Gotham Model School. And today is Teachers' Day. So happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about the clothes what we are wearing. Okay. This one is from the second class, the third lesson, that is clothes for us. Let us get started. See, draw the lines matched to the people clothes they wear. Okay. I'm a doctor, I'm a postman, I'm going to the party. Okay. So the doctor, what she will wear beta in this one? Whether it is the first one, second one or third one? Yeah, that is the third one that you have to match. Okay. Next one, I'm a postman. I'm a postman, what does he wear? The first one. Do you know that police dress? That postman dress, yes. And this girl is going to party. Then what she wear? She wears that frock to go to party. That is party wear. Okay. So you know all these things. Okay. Let us come together. See, we wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold, wind and rain. Long ago, people did not wear clothes. They covered themselves with the leaves and skin of dead animals. Slowly, people learned to make clothes. See, this man is not wearing anything. So, long ago, the ancient people are wearing like this leather, leaves and dead skins of dead animals they used to wear, you know. They don't know which clothes they have to wear. Slowly the people learn to make clothes. See, these are the different people, types of different clothes they are wearing. The first one, the second one, the third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth, seventh and eighth. See, these are different people. They are wearing the different clothes. Please, tomorrow tell me what are these animals they are and which countries or they are belonging to. Please tell me. Okay, I won't say. See, these are different country wears. Okay, only you know that sari, because sari, most of your teachers are wearing saris. That's the reason you know. And remaining all which country from, you have to tell me tomorrow. Okay, that is your homework. Let us come to the different clothes for different seasons. Okay, we wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer. Why? They keep us cool. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Why? Because they keep us warm. We wear raincoats when we go out in the rain. It keeps us dry. So, to protect from the rain, we are wearing the raincoat and boots. Okay. What are clothes made up of? We get cotton from the cotton plants, wool from the sheep, and moreover the silk cloths we are getting from the silkworms. Okay. Now, the making thread from cotton is called as spinning. See, this lady is doing the spinning. Okay, and it is the handloom. What is that lady is doing? That is handloom. After handloom only our cloth has been prepared. Okay, this is thread, making thread from the cotton. That plant is cotton plant, and that cotton plant is converting into what beta? Thread. And that process is called as what, Nana? Spinning. Now next one, this one. What is this, children? Yeah, did you remember? Yes, this animal is sheep. Sheep gives us what? Wool. And from the wool, what we got? Woolen clothes. What is that, Nana? Sweater. Yes. So we get silk from silkworm. Silk is used to make scarves, saris and many other things. See, this is a silkworm and it is giving the eggs on the leaves. From that eggs we are, a large process is there, and then we are getting the silk cloths. Next, some of us wear uniform. See, you wear your uniform to school. Similarly, these are others who wear the uniform. Doctors, nurses, people in the police or postmen wear uniforms. The first lady, what she is wearing? Yeah, she is doctor. That's the reason she has stethoscope. Second person is wearing what, Nana? He is wearing the policeman dress. See, they are very strong. Okay. So, and the third lady, yeah, she is a nurse. She is wearing different types of cloth. And last, this person is wearing the postman dress, and he has postcard also. Okay, see, these are different country people are different kinds of clothes. Look at these people, they are wearing different kinds of clothes, right? Yes, even in India also we have different kinds of culture, and that we have to respect for that. Okay, we must wear clean clothes. We look smart when we wear clothes, clean clothes. So if you want to be smart, then wear the clean clothes. Okay, now just you do this one and tell to me, beta. Clothes protect us from rain or wild animals? Rain. Okay. Dash clothes keeps us warm. Cotton or woolen? Woolen. Okay. When cloth is made from the thread, it is called as weaving or spinning? Spinning. Okay. Silkworms or sheep gives us milk? Yes, it is silkworms. They gives us silk. Okay. We must wear dirty or clean clothes? We must wear clean clothes to look smart. Okay, children, thank you so much.
Clothes. We wear clothes to protect ourselves from heat, rain and cold. We wear different clothes in different seasons. In this chapter, we will study about different clothes in different seasons. Different kinds of clothes in India. In India, we wear different kinds of dresses in different parts. For example, Kashmiri dress, Sikh dress, South Indian dress, Bengali dress, Rajasthani dress, Assamese dress, etc. Clothes worn in special jobs. Some people do special jobs and they wear special kinds of clothes. For example, a doctor, nurse, policeman and an advocate. Clothes we wear during rainy season. When it rains, we wear a raincoat. We also use an umbrella during rainy season. Clothes we wear during summer. We wear different clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear comfortable cotton clothes. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton clothes are made by spinning and weaving cotton. Cotton is woven on a weaving machine called loom. Clothes we wear during winter. In winter, we wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Wool is used to knit sweaters, caps, socks and other warm clothes. Silk. We wear clothes made from silk. We get silk from silkworms. A silkworm builds a home around itself with long sticky threads called cocoon. These cocoons are used by people to make silk threads. The silk threads are used to make silk clothes. Care of clothes. In order to keep our body clean, we have to take care of it. In the same way, we must also take care of our clothes. We must wash our clothes daily with clean water and soap. We must use mothballs, naphthalene balls, so that insects will not spoil our clothes. We should fold them properly and put them neatly in our cupboards. Summary. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear cotton clothes. In winter, we wear woolen clothes. We use raincoats to protect ourselves from the rain.